Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for 19th September 2024. You first go to this daily cipher tab here. You click on the daily cipher tab. The Morse code for today is Bybit, BYBIT. To get the first letter, which is B, you do 1 dash and 3 dots. So let's get the Y. The Y is 1 dash, 1 dot, and 2 other dashes. For the second B, you do 1 dash and 3 dots. Then for the I, you do 2 dots. The last letter is T. To get this T, you do just 1 dash. Then you click on take the price. That's it for today's video, guys. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section.